Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel AirAsia flight. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your AirAsia account, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on AirAsia? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type airasia.com. That's going to take you into the official website for AirAsia. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on AirAsia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to cancel AirAsia flight. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to purchases, which is at the top corner of your screen. So here you have app, play, purchases, check-in, flight status, support, and promotion. So go ahead and click on purchases. And then you have all of the orders that you have made on AirAsia organized in one space. So I do not have any booking, right? But if you do, you're going to have all of your orders organized here, and they're going to fall into any of these categories, which include date, depart, origin, arrive, destination, booking number, and status. So just go ahead and click on any of the booking that you want to cancel. Once you click on the booking, click on it under the status. So click on it, and once you click on it under status, you're going to see a couple of options, and one of them is cancel flight. Now go ahead and click on cancel flight. And once you click on cancel flight, it's going to take you to the next window. Just follow through the step-by-step processes. You're going to be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. Once you do that, you're going to have to confirm that you really want to cancel. And after you cancel it, that's going to be it. So just follow the next step-by-step processes to get the job done, and your AirAsia flight is going to be cancelled. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.